Hey guys, just cleaning a boat the other day. Guy didn't know that he needed bottom paint, but while I was cleaning it, I noticed this big swarm of minnows moved in on me. That was pretty interesting at first. Atlantic Silverside. I start to notice that these guys are, they seem to be pretty concerned about being eaten. And I start to get a weird feeling that, I'm not sure if I should share in their concern because I don't know what's chasing them. They start to get so thick that I'm actually swatting them out of my face. They're no longer just swimming around me, they're just bumping into me. It's like I'm just swimming through a bunch of minnows. I didn't expect to be touching them. Alright, something's down there. The hunter is gonna become the hunted. Just ladyfish chasing them around. They're definitely using me as cover, thinking that the ladyfish won't get close enough to me. Still a little bit of an uneasy feeling, not being able to see very well and having this much excitement going on around me. I'm really trying to see if there's anything besides ladyfish. I don't want to shoot a ladyfish. They're not eating. Everything is going to just stay just out of range, though. much it. And we clean a lot of boats, and this kind of thing doesn't happen very often, so I thought I'd post it. Cheers.